Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change language on People account on PC. People is used worldwide, so it supports multiple languages to make the platform easier to navigate. Changing the language can help you understand menus, notification and payment options more comfortably. And on PC, People allows you to switch your account interface to your preferred language without affecting your account settings. So first open any of your web browser on your device, and in the top there's an address bar. Type on people.com and enter it, and make sure you log into your People account. And once you reach into this dashboard of your People, what you can do is in the top right corner we can find this small setting icon. Select to this setting icon here. Over here what you can do is on the left hand side we can find this profile. Scroll a bit down and find to your account options and language on the below here. Select your language from the list and the page will automatically refresh. Select any of the language available, as I'm going to select to this English, and that is it. And changing the language on your People account on PC is simple. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.